Get into a car with value. 2020 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, heated front seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, 8-speed AT, stability control. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Get into this smooth, spacious, well-equipped Sonata. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.